it's Ashley from WTI, and what I have on is the youth style white midi dress. This dress is so cute and comfortable. I love the stretch in it. I also love that it has pockets, and I really like this dress because I'm going to kind of use it a couple of different ways. I'm taking a beach vacation soon, and I really want to use this as a bathing suit cover up, but then I can put it in my suitcase and it can also serve as a nice dress out. I can pair it with some heels, or if I just want to wear it casual one day, I can put some sandals on. So that's why I got this dress, and I really like this nice crisp white color and the fact that I can use it in so many different ways. I really love the two slits up the side design here. It's very stylish. It has a little tie waist that does cinch in, and it's a drawstring, so you can of course go ahead and tie it. You could even pair this with a belt, with a cute cardigan, a denim jacket. There's so many ways that you can wear this dress, and I really like it, and I know it's gonna work great for my vacation, but that's just my point of view.